Hey everyone, this is Jeff Ronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we are excited to introduce to you the new Hollyland Lark M2. So we'll be having a quick spec run for this video since medyo ngayon pa lang natin natatry and nagagamit itong Lark M2 na to. And we've been using the Hollyland Lark Max. You can see our review video right above here. And for this mic, since medyo kakagamit lang natin within the week, hindi pa natin nagagamit ito for its maximum potential. So right now, for this video, I'll just give you a few spec run kung ano ba yung mga gusto ko dito and ano ba yung mga somehow nakikita ko na sana meron tong mic na to. And if you're thinking of buying this mic, just check this video and see for yourself. Okay, one thing about this mic, and I think this is the key selling point of this wireless microphone from Hollyland, is its size. So this is being called as all-in-one button wireless mic. As you can see here, sobrang liit niya and it's just the size of a coin. And I couldn't agree more kasi this mic is all you need for you to be able to create your content online. You might be using your phone, you might be using your camera, which is, I'm using my camera right now. This is a very flexible mic. You can use an iPhone, you can use an Android, which Type-C by the way. So without further ado, let's go right to our spec run for this mic, which is first on our list is portability. As you can see, this is a much smaller than the Lark Max. Given this size, sobrang compact, lightweight, ang dami mo nang pwedeng gawin with this mic. And most probably, you are thinking just for the talking head. Actually, maraming use cases to. And I really love how compact this is, especially the size. As you can see here, yan, ganyan na siya kaliit. And if you'll ask me, this is a perfect size for you to be able to have it attached to your clothes na hindi siya nalalaglag yung clothes mo or sobrang bigat na to the point na medyo nadi-deform yung clothes mo. So, I think this is the right fit, and this charging case actually can fit easily in my pocket, and I'll be having this mic whole day for my shoot. Wala na akong paproblemahin. So portability is the top one for this mic. Second on the list is its sound quality. Actually, same with the Lark Max, it has the 24-bit 48 kHz. Meaning you'll get a much more detail on your audio, which by the way, you're hearing it right now without any equalization. And I think it's promising. The quality is promising and you can really use it in a different setup. I'm thinking of using this like attaching it on. I think the sound quality of this mic is really top-notch given its size. If I'll compare it to Lark Max, which by the way, we'll create a video about Lark Max versus the Lark M2, I think the sound quality is really nice. Actually, if you'll compare 16-bit to 24-bit, you will not notice that much difference. So same with the 24 to 32-bit. But again, what you have an advantage of for using 32-bit float is the flexibility of you adjusting it in post, which by the way, it doesn't have right now. But 24-bit is really okay, having that 48 kHz. So marami ka ng audio signal na nakukuha from this mic and it makes your audio much clearer and crispier. So we mentioned earlier the portability of this mic. Next thing on our list is the use cases or different use of this mic. When you buy the duo or the combo package or bundle of the Hollyland Lark M2, you'll get 3 receivers by the way. So you have the camera receiver, you have the lightning port receiver, and also you have the USB-C receiver. Just imagine your camera receiver, you can attach it on your laptop as well to have this mic as your audio card without having the sound card already. Thank you so much. You can also use the USB-C receiver para gamitin siya sa different camera mo na merong USB-C. So meaning kapag nilagay mo yun, plug and play, you can use the mic already. Same with the lightning port. So most of us right now, siguro wala pang chance para makapag-upgrade. So even me, I'm using the lightning port 1 of the iPhone. I can use the receiver with the lightning port compatibility and that's it. Plug and play, I can use it on my phone already. And having that wide variety of use mas nagiging flexible ka, mas versatile ka kapag sa shoot, and you can use different unit or different ways for you to record those audio. And having those audio, mas nagkakaroon ka ng confidence right after the shoot na you already captured all of the sound bites that you need for that shoot. Great, right? More option, more use cases, more flexibility, and you're much more versatile. And I really love how Hollyland made this wireless microphone compatible to all of us content creators and even filmmakers. So next on the list is battery life. So siguro nagtatanong kayo, dahil maliit yung mic, so medyo may sacrifice in terms of battery life. Actually, on paper, you can use this one transmitter for about 10 hours. So you have two transmitter here. So it is equivalent to 20 hours. And the charging case can charge your mic 2 times fully charged. So meaning kapag empty bat na yung wireless mics mo, you can really charge 2 times. So you have a total of 40 hours of usage for this small mic. Really, it's mind-blowing how Hollyland made that possible. And really having those battery lifespan of 40 hours, madami ka na pwedeng gawin on-site or even here on your studio set without even thinking of having your mics being empty bat during your talking head shots or even during your whole shoot gig. So having like 8-hour shoots, you still have 2-hour extra battery from one of your transmitters. So that's all for our battery lifespan. Next on our list is environmental noise cancellation. What I love about ENC of these mics are, it's really commendable right now na preserve nila yung quality. But again, as I've mentioned earlier from our last Hollyland Lark Max review, I'm not a fan of using built-in ENC of the mics. I usually do it in post, but having those as an option, maganda siya kasi at least hindi mo na problemahin kapag sobrang ingay and you don't know how to noise cancel your audio in post. You have this option already. Again, one thing that I love about ENC of this mic is if you will use via your phone receivers and you will use the app, you have the option to use weaker noise cancellation or stronger noise cancellation. It depends upon your situation. As I mentioned earlier, it has this mobile app, which is the LarkSound, that you can use if you will connect your receiver into your phones. So you can access the different controls for your mics. And this is useful since the receiver of your phone, it doesn't have any control right here, unlike the camera receiver. So you have this variety of controls inside the app that makes the use of the mic much easier. Again, the ENC controls, the volume control, or you can also enable the speaker play. So what it does is, just imagine na sa laptop mo, di ba, meron kang input and output. So your input mo is your mic, then your output mo is yung built-in speaker. So that's how it works. So having those mobile app controls, it really gives a more versatile use if you will use your phone as your audio recorder. So last on the list is the controls of this mic. So you have a really straightforward control for your camera receiver, and you just have one knob here and you can control your volume there. And also the signals or the indicators that if it's blue, meaning naka-mono ka. If it's green, meaning naka-stereo ka. Same with the color of your mic here. If naka-green siya, meaning naka-enable yung ENC mo. If naka-blue, it is disabled. Having those controls and madali mo ma-access and while shooting, it really gives you a much more versatile use case for this mic. But again, in this day and age, having that LED screen from the Lark Max is really helpful. But I cannot ask for more since we'll go to the next part, which what I love about this mic is this is a very affordable mic for you guys. So having this kind of quality, having those features, having those specs that we've mentioned earlier, you can have it for a very affordable wireless microphone price. So thank you, Hollyland, for making this budget friendly but full pack of features for us content creators and aspiring filmmakers. I mentioned earlier that I will also discuss few things about this mic that I hope it has, and masyado ng ambitious na mag-ask pa for more with the price of this mic and also the features that it has. But I really do wish that it has the 32-bit float again. In this day and age, we already having those 32-bit floats on other brands. Might as well that we include already in our mics the feature in the upcoming iteration of the Lark series. Lastly is, I don't know if it's still feasible since the size of this mic is really small. Having that internal recorder on this mic is really a deal breaker, huge game changer since you'll be having a backup for your audio, and alam naman natin na sometimes there are things na hindi natin inaasahan and hindi natin na-on yung recorder or yung receiver, nagkaroon ng problema in terms of audio signal. Having an internal recorder is very useful kasi it will really use the preamp of this mic. So those are the things that I really wish it has, but given the price point of this mic, I cannot ask for more kasi sobrang affordable na nito for us content creators, and really I'll recommend the Hollyland Lark M2. So I think that's all for this video, and just check our future content about this mic. We will compare the Lark M2 and the Lark Max, and let's see kung ano ba yung fit para sa inyo. And also, we will try to, may nag-request sa atin dito, to show different camera settings about this mic para mas maging okay yung audio captures nyo. So, those are the things that we will upload later on in this channel. So, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And again, thank you to Hollyland Philippines for sending this Hollyland Lark M2 for this channel. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped you in deciding if you'll buy the Lark M2. Again, this is Jeff Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye. Peace.